When it comes to enhancing your home's curb appeal in Meridian, one of the best ways to make an impact is by upgrading your windows. Awning windows, known for their stylish and functional design, can dramatically improve both the look and performance of your home. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to enjoy a more attractive and efficient home, awning windows offer a unique blend of elegance, ventilation, and protection. Let's explore how awning windows can elevate your home's curb appeal and why they are a great investment for Meridian homeowners. What are awning windows? Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom, creating an awning-like effect. They are typically operated with a crank handle and can be installed alone or paired with other window styles. Their design provides excellent airflow while preventing rain and debris from entering your home. Modern and stylish appearance. One of the biggest benefits of awning windows is their sleek, contemporary look. Their clean lines and simple design add a modern touch to any home's exterior. Whether your home has a traditional or modern aesthetic, awning windows can complement its architecture, giving it a fresh, updated appearance. Customization options for curb appeal. Awning windows come in a variety of styles, materials, and finishes, allowing you to customize them to match your home's exterior. You can choose from frame materials, vinyl, fiberglass, wood, or aluminum color options, from classic white and black to custom shades glass choices, tinted, frosted, or energy-efficient low-E glass. By selecting the right combination, you can create a unique, eye-catching look that enhances your home's curb appeal. Increased natural light and visibility. Homes in Meridian benefit from plenty of natural light throughout the year. Awning windows allow abundant sunlight to enter while providing a clear, unobstructed view of your outdoor surroundings. Whether installed above a kitchen sink, in a living room, or alongside larger picture windows, they enhance the brightness and openness of your home. More natural light not only makes your home feel more inviting but also highlights its beauty from both inside and outside, boosting curb appeal effortlessly. Improved ventilation without compromising protection. One of the unique advantages of awning windows is their ability to provide fresh air even during rainy weather. Because they open outward from the bottom, they create a protective barrier that keeps rain out while allowing cool breezes in. This is particularly useful in Meridian, where seasonal weather can shift from warm, dry days to unexpected rain showers. Homeowners can enjoy a well-ventilated home without worrying about water damage or debris entering through open windows. Energy efficiency and sustainability. Energy-efficient homes are highly desirable, not only for cost savings but also for their environmental impact. Awning windows are designed to improve insulation and reduce energy loss, helping to keep your home comfortable year-round. How awning windows boost energy efficiency. Tight seals. When closed, awning windows create an airtight seal, preventing drafts and heat loss. Double or triple pane glass reduces heat transfer and keeps indoor temperatures stable. Low-E glass coatings minimize UV rays and protect your interiors from fading. By installing energy-efficient awning windows, You not only enhance curb appeal but also increase the value of your home, making it more attractive to potential buyers. Versatility in placement. Awning windows can be installed in a variety of locations, making them one of the most versatile window options available. Some great placement ideas include: above picture windows. Adds ventilation without obstructing the view. In bathrooms. Provides privacy while allowing airflow. Over kitchen sinks. Easy to open for fresh air while cooking. Basements. Offers security while improving light and ventilation. Their flexible design allows homeowners to experiment with different placements to maximize both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Enhanced security and durability. The awning windows are known for their strong locking mechanisms and sturdy construction. Since they open outward from the bottom and have a hinge at the top, they are harder to pry open compared to traditional sliding or double-hung windows. For added security, homeowners can choose reinforced glass or additional locking features, making awning windows a great choice for both beauty and peace of mind. Why Meridian homeowners love awning windows. Meridian is known for its beautiful residential neighborhoods, and homeowners take pride in maintaining attractive, well-designed homes. Awning windows offer the perfect combination of style, durability, and energy efficiency that fits the local climate and aesthetic preferences. Key reasons to choose awning windows in Meridian. Stylish and modern design. Increased natural light and ventilation. And weather resistant for all seasons. Energy efficient, reducing utility bills. Secure and durable for long-term use. Boost your home's curb appeal with awning windows. If you're looking to enhance your home's curb appeal while improving functionality, awning windows are an excellent choice. Their stylish appearance, versatility, and energy-saving benefits make them a valuable addition to any Meridian home. Ready to transform your home? Contact a local window specialist in Meridian today to explore awning window options that fit your style and budget.